And if you watch all this training, you're going to understand every single line of code, and you're going to be able to put pieces together that I can't. I'm in the trenches with you, dude. Git push, origin, main. This is literally a regime shift, and you've never seen anything like this before. AI agents are here, dude. They're here. And is trading the application for it? I don't know, but that's what I'm focused on, dude. So, of course, that's what I'm going to apply it to. And I'm going to test it out, and we'll see. You know, that's it. I'm a scientist, dog. I'm a data dog. That's short for scientist. That's short for data scientist, dog. I'm a scientist, bro. All I do is come up with ideas and I test them out. I don't listen to anybody else. I just listen to myself. Because a scientist, a data dog, aka a scientist, dude, just comes up with hypotheses, hypotheses, and just data dogs his way through it. That's it. So, okay. So I just wanted to give you a quick little rundown of how the structure is here. So you can see the docs. I just updated that 1 minute ago, and you can get all access to everything live here. The source is where all of the code lives. So when I first got started with GitHub, I was like, what the fuck is SRC, dude? Why would you ever call it that? What is that? What is that? Why is there so much important stuff up in SRC? You know? So I was kind of tripping. I was like, whoa, dude. Like, whoa. SRC. Why would you put everything so important in such a small, but that's just what coders do. That's what coders do. I tried to make this GitHub super unintimidating. The requirements.txt has all the packages that you would need for this, and it's super easy to run this. You just say, you could ask AI, hey, how do I install a requirements.txt from a GitHub that I just downloaded? And you can see here, it's just you git clone if you want to just download it that way. And then you just cd into the path, and then you say pip install r requirements.txt. So it's pretty sick, pretty easy. That's all of the packages you need for this, but you know how to do that if you are here, probably. The git ignore, this is all the stuff you should ignore. You can see the env example. These are all of the keys you'll have to put in. Bird eye key, you get what you get for free. You get free in my algo trade camp. The algo trade camps where I show you how to build everything step by step, how to automate your trading. But I try to give free AI keys, a bunch of free stuff there, but it's not guaranteed. So, and it's not for everybody. If you're whack, I just remove your keys. You've been a bad boy. You've been a bad boy. You get your keys removed. No, I'm just kidding. It's free, unlimited AI for everybody. But I also put RPC keys in there, and I put bird eye keys in there. And it's pretty much unlimited. I mean, unless you're just like a railer, essentially. If you're just like a abuser, essentially. Yeah. But it's free for everybody, pretty much. So the API keys are sick because this costs me $699 per month. And if you're in the bootcamp, you get them for free. $699 per month for the bird eye key that I'm paying right now. So you get it for free. The RPC endpoint, I use Helios. You could use any RPC, just throw it in there. Again, you get a free RPC endpoint. This isn't really here yet, the MoonDev API key, but maybe someday. The Solana private key is probably the most important key to keep safe and private, because if you look at this AI agent, dude, it trades on Solana. And the reason I did that is because Solana is easier. Trading perps and stuff is much harder for people. So I just want the agents to start where it's easier for people, because if it's easier for people, it's going to be easier for agents at the end of the day. So I think it's easier for multiple reasons. And one of the biggest reasons that trading on chain, you can see these agents are running here, but trading on chain is easier is because it doesn't allow you to short. And everybody thinks they're a genius, and everybody thinks they can call tops. Everybody thinks they can call bottoms. Hey, at least when you're trading on chain, you can't short, you know? So I think that's why it's probably people are having more success over there. And if people are having more success over there, I think agents will too. There is an Anthropic key you can put in here. Again, you get a free Anthropic key in the bootcamp, but you know, that's today, January 5th. You know, as long as that keeps going, you know, everybody's leading with love and we're keeping it chill. We're all chill guys here. That's gonna stay. I would like that to be forever, but you get a free, you pretty much get you get a free API key for everything in this package. So that's pretty fire, dude. And I do this, I give back because I believe in the creation frequency, and I believe code is a great equalizer. So if I can change one kid's life, dude, that makes my life. That, and I know I've changed multiple people's lives. So that fills my heart. And that allows me to receive anything I want in this world because I know that I'm putting the work in and I'm giving. So one of my favorite books on this book list, while I have a ton of great trading books, great technical books for coding, one of my favorite books is The Creation Frequency. So it talks about how in order to get what you really want in this life, you have to be in a creation frequency, meaning you have to be leading with love. You have to be giving, whether that's a smile, whether that's a, hey, how you doing? Whether that's a conversation, whether that's, code. Like I try to give code every single day. And now I'm finally launching a GitHub, dude. Finally, dude, after 4 years. It just took me a while. It's intimidating. GitHub is intimidating, dude. And you know that. So we're here now. We're live. And yeah, much love to you guys. 777.